ma'am.
Good morning, Udita. How are you?
Ma'am, I am doing great. What about you?
All well, Udita.
Ma'am, what are you looking at so thoughtfully?
See, it's so beautiful. Today we are celebrating our 7th Foundation Day, Udita.
Oh wow, ma'am, that's wonderful. Congratulations, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Udita, and congratulations to you too because you have always made our school proud.
Thank you, ma'am. It's truly an honor. Ma'am, would you like to share about the journey of our school?
Of course.
We begin this beautiful journey on April 11, 2018, with a dream in our hearts and a promise to society. A promise to build not just a school, but a temple of learning. Our founders, Rishi Chaudhary sir and Amit sir, sowed the seed of wisdom, values and vision, believing that education is the most powerful tool to shape the future. We started with just a handful of students and a team driven by passion. And today we stand tall on the 7th Foundation Day. Not just an institution, but as a family, a legacy in the making. Every brick of this school carries a story, and every student like you adds a new chapter. Our motto, spread the knowledge, is not just on papers. It lives in every classroom, every lesson, and every smile.
प्रत्येक बच्चे के जन्मजात वैशिष्ट्य को सुरक्षित रखना शिक्षकों और अभिभावकों की विशेष जिम्मेदारी। इसे पूर्ण ईमानदारी के साथ सफलतापूर्वक निर्वहन ही भारत के भविष्य की उत्कृष्ट मुकाम पर ले जा सकता है। आज हम एक पोडियम तैयार कर रहे हैं जहां आज से 10-12 साल बाद हमारे बच्चे जब हमें मिलेंगे नई बुलंदियों को छूते हुए, तो आज के समय की हमारी सारी उपलब्धियां, सारे मुकाम उनके सामने छोटे पड़े। दुनिया परीक्षाओं के हथौड़ों पर नहीं गढ़ी जाती, प्रतिभाओं की सोच पर गढ़ी जाती है। फूल वही माना जाता है जो आसमान में अपनी सुगंध और पृथ्वी पर अपना बीज छोड़कर जाता है। और ये बच्चे भी उन फूलों की तरह ही हैं जो अपनी सुगंध यानी अपनी मुस्कान से सभी का दिल जीत लेते हैं और अपनी प्रतिभाओं से भारत के भविष्य को नया मुकाम दें।
Our school is not just a place, it's a vibrant sanctuary of growth where values are instilled, talents are discovered, and futures are shaped. It thrives because of the dedicated educators, compassionate staff, supportive parents, and our enthusiastic, bright learners. Regular meetings, workshops, and training classes are held for the students to upgrade the level of teaching. They are provided with all the required study material along with the facility of smart boards in each class and a projector in the auditorium for sessions. The learning process is faster with the utilization of the different teaching aids like charts, cards, activities, and storytelling. At our school, we honor academic excellence through the prestigious Golden Tie Award. Our spacious, resource-rich library invites mind to wonder and wonder. We have a vast collection of storybooks, subject books, encyclopedias, novels, workbooks, books for competitive exams, and many more. Our students explore in well-maintained, fully functional science labs, physics, biology, and chemistry, where students perform different experiments to gain the practical knowledge of their theoretical portions. Lab assistants make sure that safety rules are followed strictly. In the lively dance room, feet tap to the rhythm and confidence. The room is equipped with the latest music system with the speaker which creates a heart-rendering atmosphere. The creative and inspiring art and craft room turns imagination into expression. The children actively participates in art and craft classes along with the activities involved on different events and festivals. The craft work is displayed during the PTM in the school. Our modern sports complex promotes health and teamwork through engaging activities like table tennis, carom, volleyball, basketball, skating, chess, and yoga. The cheerful tiny Tots town with its colorful swings bring joy to our little learners. In our interactive maths lab, the teachers use various equipments to prove different formulas and theorems. Considering the general tendency of an individual to learn better while practical guidance. The tech-savvy computer labs for juniors and seniors are equipped with the latest systems and software, fostering digital literacy and teamwork. Both juniors and seniors enjoy working on their systems. The subject teachers and the lab assistants keep a routine checkup to update the system. Our organized and resourceful staff rooms offer teachers a space to collaborate, prepare, and innovate using dedicated computers and printers. The school takes pride in its 6 vibrant houses: Bose, Azad, Tagore, Nehru, Tilak, and Gandhi, each instilling unity, leadership, and healthy competition. With house captain, sports leaders, and head boy and head girl, we build confident, responsible citizens. The grand investiture ceremony becomes a celebration of duty and pride. From the welcoming and well-managed reception to the efficient and meticulous account office, every space has a purpose. Well-equipped medical room ensures immediate care, and the safe and reliable transportation facility offers comfort and trust for every child. This tradition not only celebrates individual success but also inspires peers to strive for academic excellence. At St. Columbus Global School, even the smallest hands are held with the greatest care. Our dedicated staff ensures the safe arrival and joyful dispersal of each child, especially the tender hearts from nursery grade 2. On this proud occasion, we thank every heart that beats for this school. Thank you to everyone who has been a part of this incredible journey. May this Foundation Day be a source of inspiration and pride for all of us. May our roots stay strong, our branches grow wide, and our sky have no limits. Happy Foundation Day.